Do you know you can make this hairpiece within 5 minutes? So stay till the end of the video so that you confirm if it's even up to 5 minutes. It is very easy to make and easy to sell. Hi everyone, this is Nest Signature. Today I'll be teaching you how to make this beautiful hairpiece. It is very easy to make. It is beginner friendly. So if you even have just needle and thread, you don't have a sewing machine, you can make this hairband. All you need is your fabric and your needle or your sewing machine and your thread. So if this is something you are interested in, do well to stay to the end of this video. Do not skip any part of it. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, do well to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't get to miss out in any of my video, because I post video every week. So the number one thing to do right away now is to measure your client's head, that is the circumference of your client's head. Just go ahead and measure it like so, as I've used the mannequin's head to demonstrate. So whatever number it gives to you, that's what we are going to use to make your hair piece. If it is your own, just wrap your tip around your head, then get your fabric. So the fabric I'm using is a stretchy fabric, so ensure your fabric is stretchy. I have cut out my fabric, can you see? So it is 13 inches wide, so you can make yours 10 inches. It all depends on how wide you want your hair piece to look like. So the length is the circumference of my client's head. Okay, so I just added 2 inches to it, because I added 2 inches to it because of the knot, the tying at the front. Okay, if not, I would have just gone with the original circumference measurement, then reduce 1 inch or 2. But because I'm going to knot it, that's why I added 2 inches to it. Okay, so go ahead and fold your fabric into two like so, then sew it with your sewing machine. So I have gone ahead to join it with my sewing machine. Can you see? You can use your hand needle like I told you to sew it. After sewing it, you go ahead and turn it to the right side. We sew it on the wrong side before, so flip it over like so. Are you seeing it? I make sure the joining is at the middle. I didn't push it to the corner. Are you seeing it? So just locate the middle point of this hair band like so and tie. So just knot it. Can you see how I'm knotting it? Just knot it like so. Okay, so after knotting it, just flip it over. I just discovered a little error here. So the error you should take note of is that the beauty of the knot was on the wrong side of the fabric. Okay, the wrong side is this middle part that the joining is showing. That's the wrong side. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to lose it again. So I will tell you the right way to tie it so that you don't make same mistake. So what you are going to do, you are going to use the wrong side to face you like so before tying it. Can you see? Okay, by the time you use the wrong side to face you while tying it, the beauty of the knot will now be transferred to the right side of the fabric. Can you see the difference? That was what went wrong in the first knot tying. But if you prefer yours that way, you can go ahead and just do it the way you like. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just join the edge like so. So you can join it with your sewing machine or your hand needle. Another way you can do it, you can also gather it. It all depends on you. Okay, so I went ahead to join it, and this is how it looks. It's looking really, really beautiful. Can you see? And our head piece is ready within 5 minutes. It's not even up to 5 minutes. Our headpiece is ready and it is beautiful. So you can rock it. I just want to wear it on the head of my mannequin so that you can see how beautiful it is and how it fits the head of my mannequin well. So thank you for watching this video to the end. Do well to click on the subscribe button if you have not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out in any of my videos. Do well to drop your comment in the comment section, and give this video a thumbs up. See you in our next tutorial. Bye.